Hello guys, Vlogs or Sports, and this is North Carolina Triad video. I know I've been posting a lot lately. There wasn't really a whole lot going on, so this is April 2nd, 2017, and there's a big severe threat for the southeast. Look at this. I mean, look at this. You see that line? That's severe storms. There's tornadoes over there in Shreveport right now. Over there towards Shreveport and Texas, especially down here towards the southern where it's not as much of a line. And up here towards the north. They're in the heart of a more straight line, but that's still just a dangerous tornado. I think it's more because people underestimate it. Alright. Let's go straight to the GFS model. Okay, so this is 4-3. This is Monday, right? Yeah, Monday. 'Cause Monday's the day we're going to be affected. So the storm weakened some, but not really. Fast forward to the 2021 model run. The storm is right here. The heaviest part is going to be between southern Alabama and northern Georgia, like this part right here, like southern Alabama and southern Georgia. But there are going to be some severe in Charlotte and up here too, in our parts. Slight risk, marginal to slight risk is what I've heard so far for here. Slight towards southern counties. And then the storm pulls out. See, look, I'll show you the Storm Prediction Center. See, they have us in a marginal. They've had us in a margin. We're in a marginal risk. But I'll tell you something, though. That slight risk has been that severe overall has gone up because this morning we were in the light green, which means just thunderstorms, not severe. And now we're under marginal, so if it keeps up, we'll end up being in the slight to maybe even enhanced. Because the low pressure's taking more of a northern track now in the latest couple runs, so they had to move up the severe weather. Because it's going to be more towards where the low pressure is, where you can get more of the severe weather. So, yeah, that's how it works. People ask that all the time. How does it work? Well, there you go. The more you know, right? Yeah. Alright. Again, here's the radar. You see? Look at that line. And that's going to be moving. And it's going to move up. And at times, that severe weather is going to be hitting us. Let me show you.
Ready to get started? You go.
Let's hit weather, 10-day forecast. We'll say a high point. Just take High Point for example, because High Point is, one of our cities in the triad. 80%. Cloudy early with thunderstorms developing later in the day. So this will be more of a later in the day to overnight, like night threat for here. Okay, so here we go. Here's what I want to show you from the weather. This is the weather channel's like GFS model or whatever you can say. This is what I want to show you. You saw the GFS model from Pivotal Weather. I'll leave a link to Pivotal Weather stuff in the description so you can check out all that cool stuff, how I do it. Okay, so look, watch. Sunday comes that storm. Monday night. During this time between... That's where you have the likeliest chance, but you remember that slight risk in marginal areas in us, so that we still have a chance of getting severe weather. That's just like where the greatest chance is. That's what it's showing. But see, we still have a chance to get severe weather. Don't let that disregard you. Monday night, we have a bigger chance Monday night of getting severe weather. We'll go through the rest of the days of the week, just so you get rain on Wednesday. And so Wednesday night, maybe some thunderstorms. Thursday night might get even some mountain snow. Even this late out in the season. Friday too. Clear from that. Right now, next weekend's looking fabulous again, like this weekend. I hope you're enjoying the rest of your weekend. And then. But yeah. You get the general idea. Now I want to do this. This is, I took a map of Cyrus State, North Carolina. It has each individual county. We're going to do Alamance, Forsyth, Guilford, Randolph, Davidson, Rowan, and Davie County. We'll start with Rowan. Rowan, you have a slight risk right now. Anywhere from this area point south has a slight. So Montgomery County, y'all have a slight risk, but y'all could go do an enhanced risk. I'm especially keeping an eye on those areas, and maybe even the southern tips of, like, Randolph County, because it's like really bad. All right, so now let's do Davie County. Davie County, y'all are in the marginal risk right now, but y'all could go to a slight risk, like that. Same for Forsyth. I think we're in the marginal, but I think we're gonna go to a slight risk by tomorrow. The way the low pressure trying to track a little farther north on the radius run, so it's moving the severe risk higher up north. So we'll start getting the slight at this rate. Same for Archdale, Guilford, and Alamance, and Chatham too. Yeah. Okay. Well, I'll give you one last look at the. See? Look at all that. You see, it's moving farther north. You see? We could get it too, and it's moving farther north because earlier in the day, all that stuff was down here, but the latest model runs have been. This afternoon was down here in the evening, like earlier this afternoon was down here. Now it's like up here. I'm gonna give y'all one last look at the radar, and then we'll call it a day. Alright, that's the North Carolina. That's North Carolina Triad weather video. Have a great day. God bless.